Welcome to Dev Tutorials, your go-to destination for quick and comprehensive coding knowledge. Before we start, a quick info about me. I'm a telecommunications and software engineer and I currently work as a full-stack web developer. For our first video, we'll discuss the newest update of Angular Signals. To simply put it, it's a more efficient way to detect changes of our app state and update the UI accordingly, instead of the old way of Zone.js. Let's set up our environment. First, install Angular version 16 or update your current Angular project. Next, create a project if you haven't. Import Signal. Then, let's create our signal and call it counter. Now, we declare our increment function using the set method. Then we implement our UI. Here, make sure to use the counter signal as a function call. And there you have it, a functioning signal. You can also use the update method, which makes more sense in this case. Next, we add a new button to test it out. Finally, let's add some CSS to make it look beautiful, because why not? And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.